Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Empowering Finance with Technology. My name is Arnab Dutt. In today's video, we are going to explore one of Excel's array functions, the map function. The map function allows you to apply a custom lambda formula to each element of one or more arrays and return a new array of results with the same shape. In simple terms, it allows you to transform data element by element without writing repetitive formulas or copying them down rows or across columns. We shall begin by understanding the syntax of the map function, how it works with one array, multiple arrays, and a lambda function, and what kind of output it returns. We shall also briefly touch upon the error handling and see how Excel responds when arrays do not match or parameters are incorrect. After that, we shall walk through practical examples. First, we shall calculate the square of numbers greater than a given value using the traditional method, and then see how map simplifies the same task using just one formula. Next, we shall combine the first and the surnames to create full names, again comparing the traditional approach with the map function. Finally, we shall work with a real-world business scenario, calculating sales commissions for salespersons using complex rules based on product categories and sales thresholds. We shall see how map not only reduces repetitive work but also makes your formulas cleaner, dynamic, easier to maintain, especially when the business rules are changing. So, if you want to write smarter Excel formulas and move away from dragging and copying, this video is for you. So, let's get started.
Map function. The map function in Excel applies a custom lambda function to each element of one or more arrays, returning a new array of results with the same dimensions. In simple terms, it lets you transform data element by element without writing repetitive formulas. Syntax equals map array 1, array 2, lambda, array 1, the primary array to process, array 2, optional additional arrays if your lambda needs multiple inputs. Lambda, a custom lambda function applied to each element. Return value, an array of results with the same shape as the input arrays. Error handling. If the lambda has incorrect parameters or mismatched arrays, Excel returns hashtag value with incorrect parameters. We shall use a small example to demonstrate map function. We have column of numbers. We want the square root of the numbers greater than 4. First, we shall obtain the result in the traditional way. Go to B2. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. This will give the square of the numbers greater than 4. Copy B2 to B12. We have in column B the square of the numbers in column, which are greater than 4. In this method, we had to copy the formula to other rows. Now we shall use the map function, which will give us the freedom from copying the formula to other cells. Go to C2. Input the formula as shown on the screen. We have the results for all the rows in the column. Just by inputting the formula in one cell, we have obtained the results for other rows. Now we shall use traditional method to obtain full name from first name and surname, and then use map function to do the same. Go to cell C17. Input the formula as shown on the screen. You have the full name. Now drag C17 till C21 and obtain full name for all the rows. Now we shall obtain the same result using map function. Go to D17. Input the formula as shown on the screen. Just by inputting the formula in one cell, which is D17, we obtain the results for other rows from D18 to D21. Now we shall find out the commission receivable by each salesperson in a departmental shop. The structure of sales commission is complex. Commission rules are as follows. Electronics, 12%, clothing, 8%, furniture, 6%, everything else, 5%. Range A11 to D31 lists the name of the salesperson's category of products handled and sales achieved. Go to cell D11. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. We have commission calculated for each of the salesperson based on the category of products sold and amount of sales. The formula was inputted in one cell, and we got the results for all salespersons. In future, if we need to change, we shall have to change only in one cell. Now we shall make the commission rules more complex. Salesperson will get commission only if they achieved a sales over 10,000. Go to F12. Type in the formula as shown on the screen. We have the sales commission calculated only for salesperson who have achieved sales over 10,000. In case the salesperson is not eligible for commission, then words no commission is mentioned. Is the list of my social media accounts. Feel free to connect with me. If you find the video useful to you, please click like, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get notification as soon as a new video is uploaded. Feel free to leave your comments to improve my channel.